Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Shabat and I'm the CEO and founder of PurpleFire. Here at PurpleFire, we help hundreds of businesses build their websites, platforms, and apps. We're basically a full stack development agency, meaning that we can handle every single area of your project. Now we do things a little bit differently here at PurpleFire. We hire based on skills, not location. This means we don't have really expensive overhead and we don't have to charge you a ridiculous amount of money. All our employees are connected on Slack and using our proprietary software so that it logs every hour of the work that they're doing for you. Now, if you become a client of PurpleFire, you'll have your own dedicated Slack channel where you can invite the most important stakeholders from your company. You will also have your own dedicated project manager who is available all the time, and this is really key. As a former agency client myself, I was always annoyed by the lack of communication and transparency from most agencies. They basically barely had any reporting, and I often felt like I constantly reached out myself in order to get an update. We aim to solve that problem, and we pride ourselves on our proactive communication style. Our goal is to answer your questions before you even have to ask them. Another key factor is transparency. You should always know where your money is going, right? This is not always the case. Sometimes you receive a bill at the end of the month and you have no idea why you were billed so much. We are completely transparent with our time and we break it down for you so you can see the amount of development hours, management, and even design work as well. We are also not afraid to have a tough conversation with you on the go. Some agencies are afraid of that because it leads to uncomfortable conversations. This could be because you have added new features inside of the scope, and this leads to a higher cost of the project. When this happens, we will go in and ask you to approve these changes because of the higher budget so that you are not surprised when the bill comes at the end of the month, but you have actually approved these things on the go. Now you may be thinking, I'm on the fence. Why should I go with an outside agency? Maybe you're used to hiring from within and having a developer sit in your office. Now our agency is based in Europe, but we have clients from all over the world. We have clients in Asia, in the Middle East, in the US, and we actually cater to clients from around the world because of what we do on a daily basis. We have extended work hours, meaning that we will be online very early in the morning and very late in the evening in order to cater to each client and make sure we have overlaps with plenty of hours so we can communicate about your project. Now, most of our clients use us on an ongoing basis. In fact, we work with most clients for years. You can take a look at all the clients that we currently work with here. And what I really like about working with clients on an ongoing basis is that we grow together. We have worked with plenty of clients where they had a one-off project that we would do for them, but today have 10 developers working exclusively for their projects. We could say that we succeed when you succeed, and that's how we build our business. In the discovery and introduction call, we always make sure to create a plan that fits your specific requirements. You may want to have a weekly call or a specific type of reporting system. Whatever it is, we will make sure to make it happen in order to make you happy. Now, when it comes to pricing, we are happy to come up with an estimate. This is a great way for you to get an idea about the total cost of your project up front. When we give estimates, it's very important to give us as much information as possible. It will help us give us a very accurate estimate, which you will be more happy about in the end because there will be no surprises. In any case, we'll never ask for all money up front on any project we develop. We ask for a down payment and then we'll get straight into planning and development. We think this is more fair to you and for your cash flow, which is very important when you're running a business. Now, if you want to work with us, you can simply fill out the form, and if you have already, you can schedule a call with me. This call is not a commitment, but more of an introduction to see if we are a great fit, both in terms of our capacity, but also in terms of your need and your budget. So anyway, reach out, and I look forward to speaking with you.